In the realm of fantasy, a villain's role is not just to antagonize, but to add depth and complexity to the narrative. Think Sauron or the Joker. Their indelible marks come from masterful character crafting. Consider this, a compelling backstory. Darth Vader's past explains his motives, values, and actions, making him relatable and iconic. Make the villain's actions personal. A direct threat to the protagonist's circle makes the story emotionally engaging, the villain more dangerous. Now let's not overlook appearance. A unique look like the White Walkers in Game of Thrones can be striking, memorable, and terrifying. Next up, a distinctive personality. A unique voice or mannerism like Hannibal Lecter's can set the villain apart. And what's a villain without a goal? Thanos wanted to bring balance to the universe, a goal audience can understand even if they disagree. Unpredictability keeps everyone on edge. The Joker's unexpected actions made him formidable, adding to his impact. Lastly, show the consequences of the villain's actions. The destruction of Alderaan in Star Wars had significant emotional and physical impact. Remember, a well-crafted villain can make your fantasy story unforgettable.